Welcome to a video by Abron. This is a Stokes Apparatus. This is let me tell you the part. This is apparatus viscosity by Stokes Apparatus. You check the viscosity of this solution or the liquid, or generally it is by the glycerin or this castor oil or glycerin is used. And then the setup has three rods on the three sides. The base is there. There is another part which is the bottom has a cup which is connected. This may be coming to you. Either rods are separate or fitted, and then there is on the top, this one has a plate. You have to fit this rods and then tighten it so that it does not move like this. And then there is a cup cover on the top, and you can remove it. And then there is a glass tube which is closed at the bottom and open at the top, and it has a graduation from 1 to 100 from bottom. It is from to the top, and this you can check the distance. It is exactly 100. First of all, you have to place this tube inside and remove these plastic coating so that you can see the balls moving. It is only that I am not removing this part, for it is only for transportation. And then when it is put, then you have to put it back this, and then there are three sections. We have steel balls, different dia steel balls are provided. We have this biological material which is a very small beads like this, and in India it is available, and it must be available in your countries and your cities also. So this can be left from here ball, and this inside is you have to put either glycerin or castor oil which is visible. You can see the ball moving. If you drop the ball, start the stopwatch, when it reaches the bottom you can note down the time. But we have found by one of the professors that these rye or khaskhas which is called, or the seeds of this castor oil, or seeds of this linseed oil, or seeds of this oil of the vegetable oil can be used. You can note the diameter and weight, and then if you drop it, it goes very slowly. So you can note down the more timing and note down the experiment, the viscosity. The viscosity manual is provided here. It has all the parts here, and then there are temperature. You have to use the room temperature or your thermometer by this, and then balls, sapphire, dia. And this manual has all the details how to perform. It is from your books only. You have to perform as per your books. Very easy and easy to do. Then there are precautions and viva voce in your books are also there, so you can perform that. And please visit the website. These are the emails, and this is the website, and you can send us an email or subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.